The 2011 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, trip computer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Come take a test drive today.